How's everybody doing today? Well, I'm just going to do a quick video here on planting potatoes. They are one of the easiest crops you can plant and grow. You literally have to dig them in, toss them in, hill them up, and then when the leaves come up, hill them up more. And really, that's all you got to do. Super easy. Anyways, what I've done here is I've got my 30-inch row bed, and this one's about 40 feet long. And I'm planting this one farther away from the house because potatoes need very little maintenance. So it's away from the main garden, which I still have to dig beds all the way down here. But I went down with my rake and just made up 2 rows here for them. Super fast, took like 5 minutes to do that. And then all you gotta do is put your potatoes in about a foot apart, maybe a little less. I go a little less usually just because that's how I roll. And then all you're gonna do is backfill it here with your dirt. And if you feel like it, you can water them in. I'm not going to, just because the soil is still kind of moist here. And yeah, pretty easy. So I've got 3 kinds. I've got fingerling, banana fingerling, which I grow every year. I still got quite a bit left here. That's the banana fingerling. I got some random red potatoes. I think these might be called Norland. And then I've got the Russian blue as well. Apparently can't say Russian anymore, so it won't culture. And then actually there's some other small ones here as well. Just smaller potatoes. So I'm gonna have 4 varieties, and I got to do another bed here because I still have probably another row's worth here. So I'll probably try working on that today. But I have some lettuces to transplant as well today to get in because they're ready to pop into the ground. And hopefully, yeah, if I'm not too tired, it's not too hot, I'll get another bed here done today because this is quick and easy. Where the pigs have already chewed this up last year, and then we'll be ready to go. So there you go, guys. Potatoes, fast, easy, doesn't take much effort. Once I harvest them in the fall there, I'll show you how they all turned out. Have a great day. Happy gardening.